Welcome back to Math Video Tutorials, and thank you for tuning in. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at this exercise. Alright, this is a quick video on how to differentiate this. We want dy by dx in terms of x and y. Alright, so let's differentiate this implicit function. We're going to do it term by term using the dash notation. So this is one term, this is another term, this is yet another term. So this is a term where you have x squared cos x, so we need to, there's a product there, so we need to use the product rule for differentiating. Same here and here. So what I like to do, just to show the working out, right, and finally 3x squared y all dash. Now applying the product rule, so you need to differentiate x squared first, times it by cos x, plus x squared times the derivative of cos x. So this is for this term. Now for this term here, we're going to do it y squared differentiated first times sine x plus y squared times the derivative of sine x. So that's the left hand side completed. Now let's do the right hand side in a similar way. 3x squared differentiated times y plus 3x squared derivative of y. So let's go back and differentiate this one here. Differentiating x squared is just 2x, so that's 2x times cos x. And then here the derivative of cos x is minus, so I need to change that to minus. So it's going to be x squared sine x. Again, just to remind you, this minus comes from the fact that the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. Derivative of y squared, you need to apply the chain rule, because you need to first to differentiate it with respect of y. That will give you 2y. And then you differentiate it with respect of x, which will give you dy by dx. That's very important to bear that in mind. And of course, times sine x. This one here is y squared. The derivative of sine is cos. All right, let's do this one quickly. Derivative of y with respect of y is going to be 1, and then it should be multiply 3x squared times dy by dx. Okay, so we completed the differentiation process. So we need to bring together all the dy by dx. We got two of them, this one here and this one here. So I'm going to put them in the bracket, dy dx. So that's 2y. And then that has to join the left hand side, because at the moment it is on the right hand side of the equal sign. So we need to change the plus to minus, so it becomes minus 3x squared. And everything else has to go to the right hand side. So that one was already there, 6xy. That has to join minus y squared cos x. This one is a negative, will change to positive x squared sine x. And this one will turn to negative 2x cos x. So therefore dy by dx is going to be all this 6xy minus y squared cos x plus x squared sine x minus 2x cos x, all divided by this 2y subtract 3x squared, and that is the derivative we are after. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and take care.